Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, you studied by finding zeros by quadratic formula and the characteristic of quadratic discriminant. You studied that. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, there are two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, that is positive, there are two distinct real roots. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, there is no real root. That already you studied that. Then we want to study more programs, more word programs. That is application of quadratic formula. Are you ready? Come. Is it clear? Then look here. Now, the perimeter of a rectangle. The better you write it here. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter and its area is 96 centimeter square. Perimeter 40 and area 96. Find the sides of the rectangle. Find the sides of the rectangle. Perimeter 40 and area 96. Look at that. Let the this is the figure. If one of them is length, this is breadth, again length, then price. So perimeter equal to 2 in the L plus B, that already you studied, it is given as 40. So L plus B is 40 divided by 2, 20. Look at here. If B or L equal to X, then automatically the other one is 20 minus X. Done. They added to get 20. If one of them is x, other one is 20 minus x. Is the steps completed? Now area. What is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is to L in length inverse. Area equal to x and 20 minus x multiplied to get 96. That's given 96. So multiplication. X into 20, 20x minus x into x square equal to 96. Is it clear? Bracket is removed. Now these terms transfer to that side, then you get plus x square. Okay. So 96 minus 20x minus x square transfer to that side, it is plus x square. Now x square minus 20x plus 96 equal to 0. That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Making that quadratic equation. Is it clear? The steps. Now starts. Let A equal to 1 and B is equal to minus 20 and C is equal to 96. Are you ready? X is equal to minus B plus or minus root B square minus 4AC. Otherwise you find the discriminant. That's a better way. B square minus 4AC means minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 96. Are you ready? 20 square is 400. Minus 20 square is also 400. You multiply. I think it is 384. Now subtract it to get 60. Now your formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2. Minus b means minus minus 20. B is already negative. So minus b is minus minus 20 plus or minus root. This number is 16 divided by 2 into a is equal to 1. Look carefully the numbers. Are you ready? The next root 16 is 4. So minus minus is 20 plus 4 divided by 2 equal to then 20 minus 4 divided by 2. 20 plus 4 is 24 by 2. 20 minus 4 is 16 by 2. This number is 12 and that number is 8. So length equal to 12 centimeter because both numbers are positive. Length equal to 12 and breadth is equal to 8. One of the number is 12, other number is 20 minus 12, that's also 8. Is it clear? So the perimeter and area given is complete. Is it all? Another question. But when you write this, the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter. perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter. But then you write the statement in an inverted comma. In an inverted comma, the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter and area is 30 centimeter square. Close the inverted comma. It's a statement. Your question is the statement is true? Is it true? That's the question. Is it true? The perimeter of rectangle is 20 and its area is 30 centimeters square. It's a statement. Is it true? Is the statement true? Otherwise, is it possible to make a rectangle with a perimeter 20 and area 30? Is it possible? That's also same good. Look at it. You studied that perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B, that's the 120. So L plus B 20 by 2 equal to 10. It's clear. So if B equal to X, L equal to 10 minus X, that already you studied in previous program. Is it clear? Area L into B, length into breadth, X into 10 minus X, and that's the 130. Are you ready? Now starts multiply. X into 10, 10x, X into minus X, X square equal to 30. Then these terms transfer to that side. We want the negative X square to positive X square. X square plus 30 is already in the right side. To minus 10x. Transfer you get plus x square. And now this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So that is x square minus 10x plus 30 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Are you ready? And without my help, are you ready to complete? Otherwise, are you ready to find the discriminants? Come on. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 10, C is equal to 30. So B square minus 4AC is minus 10 square minus 4 into 1 into 30. B square 100, 1 negative. 4 into 30, 120. Subtract the smaller one from the larger one, put the sign of the larger one, you get negative 20. Look carefully, guys. Is it clear? So the discriminant is negative, otherwise B square minus 4AC less than 0, and you studied that there is no real roots. No real roots. Remember? B square minus 4AC less than 0 negative, there is no real roots means the statement is not correct. Your question is if the statement is true. Otherwise, it is not possible to make a rectangle with the perimeter 20 and area 30 cm square. Is it clear? Watch well the video. I will give you home assignments later. Okay, all the best.